Hey guys, it's VJ. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how to achieve this look right here, which is a exhausted, super tired, falling asleep on your feet type of look. Really don't know what you would use this for, but hey, whatever it is, I'm all for it. I just love unconventional tutorials on YouTube. I feel like there's way too many how to look pretty, how to look glowy, how to this and that, and I have those things on my channel as well, but I also want to kind of add in a mixture of something else. So I have videos on how to look tired, how to look sick if you want to prank your family, or if you don't want to go to school and you want to pretend that you're sick, I have a tutorial for that. And I have a tutorial on how to look like you've been crying, you know, with the puffy eyes and the redness going on. All of that is on my channel, so make sure you subscribe so that you can be updated on all of them. But anyway, the next video in my makeup series of how to look is how to look exhausted and or tired. I'm so glad to be back on YouTube filming videos. It's been a rough couple of months. Started around the holidays last year, and you know, I just haven't been feeling like filming. It's just one of those things. But anyway, 2018 rolled around and I am ready to just make everything better, make my life better, make myself better, make my YouTube channel better. So yeah, let's just roll with it. Alright, so I'm just gonna start with this product right here, Milani Easy Brow in dark brown. It's one of my favorite products. I use it all the time in these types of videos. So I'm just gonna start drawing on my face. I always start with the area a little bit lower than the inner corners, and I kind of just follow the natural lines of the eyes. Oh, I'm running out of this product. That's making me so sad. I have to buy some more. So there we go, following the natural lines of the eyes right there. Same thing on this side. I always feel in person that what I'm doing is so defined, like it just looks so intense, and then I go back to edit it later and I see that it's actually not showing up that much on camera. So today I'm going to try and just go a little bit more with what I'm doing, and it might look ridiculous to me in person, but hopefully it'll look normal to you guys that are watching my videos. So there we go, just doing that, and then I'm just gonna pat that in using this brush right here. This is an Eco Tools brush. It's the full shadow brush, and this is just gonna help me to blend this in so it doesn't look like just a harsh line on my face. Look at that, it's so good at blending out product. Wow. Okay, so there we go. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a pencil brush and a purple eyeshadow. I'm using the Morphe and Kathleen Lights collaboration, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow. Can you see it? This eyeshadow right here. And I really like this palette. It has some pretty awesome colors. I just like it for everyday makeup, and I also like it for, you know, these type of makeup looks. It just works. I like this palette a lot. I didn't think I would when I first bought it. I just bought it so that I could review it on YouTube and, you know, do a makeup tutorial on something that's up and coming and is relevant, but I actually ended up liking it a lot. So yeah, I'm just going to use that shade with a pencil brush, and I'm going to start applying it just to the inner corners. So remember, I applied the line a little bit under the inner corner of my eye. So now I'm going to kind of fill in that area with this eyeshadow. It's just going to give me that really exhausted look. I hope you guys are having a good year for 2018. I'm really hoping that I can turn this year into something amazing. I promised myself that I was just going to do better overall. I feel like I'm putting a lot more effort into my schooling. Schooling, is that even a word? We say that in the Philippines, but I don't know if that's something that you say in America. But yeah, I'm putting a lot more effort into my education, really focusing and studying hard and doing advanced reading and stuff like that, because I really want to get nothing but A's this year. And then on top of that, I started working out. I want to say I'm working out more, but that's not true. I barely worked out in the past, and so now I'm definitely working out a lot more. I'm going to the gym 5 times a week, sometimes 7 times a week. I enjoy it. I didn't think that I would enjoy it so much, but I'm enjoying it. So I've been going to the gym a lot, and I just want to get myself into shape. I'm drinking more water. I want 2018 to be better than 2017. Alright, so now that we look hella tired, I'm going to take this again, and I'm actually going to drag my eyes down. So I'm going to just apply it to the outer corner of my eye and slightly drag that color down. What I like about this particular product is the undertone is so perfect for drawing on your face. It just blends right in and looks like a real shadow on your face. And that way it doesn't look like you're wearing makeup. So it's very effective for these types of looks. Although I don't know where you would actually wear a look like this. I mean, I'm not going to go out like this. But if you just want to prank your friends or your family, pretend like you're so exhausted, then this will work. Or maybe you need it for a school play, something like that. So I'm just dragging the eye down. I want it to look so tired, like you didn't get any sleep at all this past week or month, who knows. Alright, I'm going to go into the Kathleen Lights palette again, and I'm going to dip into this gray right here using a brush that's just a slight bit fluffier than the one I was using earlier. This is the blending eye brush. Into that gray, but I'm going to tap off a lot of it because I really don't want that much gray under my eyes. So I'm just going to start applying this right here, directly under the eyes. And slowly build up. There's absolutely no need to just go ham with the gray right off the bat. Blend it into that purple. And then I'm going to take a really fluffy brush and just kind of blend out these edges because I really don't want it to look too obviously like makeup. So now I'm going to take that pencil brush again with this purple again, and I'm actually going to add it a little bit to the upper inner corner as well, just on this area here. I feel like it really drives home that I'm super tired look. And that is it. This is the look for today. So exhausted, I need some sleep. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you end up using this look for something, pranking your friends, school play, whatever it may be, I would love to get tagged in it, you know, just so I can see my handiwork. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have so many more videos to come in 2018, so please subscribe to my channel so that you can stay updated to all of these fantastic, fabulous videos, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye!